Let's chat a little bit about China's economy. It's facing pressure from US tariffs and persistent deflationary pressure at home as Beijing is trying to soften the economic damage. Was it really important to reach a quick deal with the US and de-escalate the trade war to kind of support themselves?
It's a really good question, and I think it goes to this question that we've all been trying to sort of weigh up. Who hurts more in a big trade war? Is it the US or is it China? And I think the answer is that the two countries can be hurt in different ways. There certainly is, there are some indications that the Chinese economy is beginning to bottom out a little bit. That terrible property slump, which is sort of at the start of where this deflation that we're seeing has come from, looks like that might be bottoming out. We're seeing prices of homes in the biggest Chinese cities has stopped falling. Maybe too early to predict a recovery, but I think there's a little bit more optimism than there was a couple of months ago. But the other thing to think about is what China exports to the US is pretty low-tech stuff, commodity stuff, things like steel, things like footwear, clothing. And those items are very easy to divert to other jurisdictions. So in the month of May, we saw a 35% decrease in Chinese exports to the US. That's over the same period a year ago. That is a massive, massive fall. That was after 21% in April. But some of that trade has been diverted to other markets. Some of it has gone to other Asian countries. Some of it has gone to Europe. Now, diverting trade hasn't made up for all the trade lost to the US, but it's done pretty well. And Chinese exports, and in fact, are still growing just at a slower pace. So we're not seeing a real pressure point in the Chinese economy. And forget Xi Jinping has one thing that Donald Trump and the Republicans don't have, is he doesn't have to subject himself to elections. And that does help with asking your populace to put up with a little bit of economic pain.